Mr. Butoil, this is Professor Figueroa. Forgive me if I pronounced your name incorrectly. I just want to go over this so that you can see how you can make this better when you create your original flyer. See, this part, free dog grooming for seniors in the community, is excellent. Even the title is very catchy. But look how many times you use the word we and our and our. Let us. You have the right idea with the content, but let's see if you can change this so that you see how you did free dog grooming for seniors in the community. Instead of we know grooming your dog can be difficult, you could change. I'm just using this as an example. Is grooming your dog now a difficulty for you? We can help. Something like that. You may need free we you can get free convenient grooming service to show your dog how much you love them. You see where I'm going with this? Concentrating on the person. We know you'll love the personalized care and treatment every dog will get, as since every dog is a family. You get where I'm going with this because you have too much. We know what you're providing, and you know that we know all of this. The content is really very good, but let's shift the focus. That's what I'm trying to show you. And I'm doing this obviously as my knee-jerk reaction because I saw so many we's, but I didn't want to put this in the comments because I wanted to make sure that you understood the concept that I was creating or sharing with you in terms of the you attitude. The content is there, but the focus is really on the we and the our instead of on the senior himself or herself. You have the services that you're providing, but what is the service going to do for you, for the person as a senior? Okay, that's just what I wanted to go through with you. Thanks. Bye-bye.